Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the fan in your HP 14DQ laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the fan, which is typically situated near the heatsink. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris around the fan area using compressed air. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Now, disconnect the fan's power cable from the motherboard. This is usually a small connector that can be gently pulled out. Once disconnected, you will find additional screws securing the fan in place. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, ensuring you keep them safe for reinstallation. After removing the screws, carefully lift the fan out of its compartment. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Once the fan is free, take a moment to compare it with your new replacement fan to ensure compatibility. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop repaired without any hassle. Now place the new fan into the compartment, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it in place by reinserting the screws you previously removed. Next, reconnect the fan's power cable to the motherboard. Ensure it is firmly attached to avoid any operational issues. Once everything is secured, take a moment to inspect the area for any loose screws or tools that may have been left behind. Now it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel firmly. Finally, if you have removed the battery, reinsert it and connect your laptop to the power source. Power on your device and listen for the fan to ensure it is functioning correctly. If you notice any unusual noises or if the fan does not operate, it may be worth seeking professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we also provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, our service includes no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your laptop back in working order. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope your HP 14DQ laptop runs smoothly with its new fan. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.